Hello guys, welcome to my page, and today we are going to learn something about indices. So today we are going to look at the laws of what indices. But basically we have three major laws of indices. That is the product law, quotient law, and what? Power law. So let's take them one after the other. So let's take here product law. Product law says to multiply numbers written with the same base, you add their powers. For example, if you have A is with M multiplied by A is with N. This is just an example, okay? So here, basically, the law says when you see them that when you see that the bases are the same and they are multiplying, you just have to add what the exponent, the power, okay. So here we take one of the base, then we add what? The powers. Just like that. Like this. So let's write some example, okay? So here let's say example, assuming you have A exponent 3 multiplied by what? A exponent what? 2. What you have to do is, since the bases are the same, you just have to what? Add what? The powers. So you take one of the base, then you add what? The powers or exponent, okay, or what? Indices. Yeah, one is index but two is what? Indices. So we are done with the what? The product what? Product law. Any question? Okay, let's go to the second law. So here's A, here's B. Question what? For example, the question law is saying that to divide numbers written with the same base, you subtract their exponents. Okay, so you take one of the base, then you subtract what? Their what? Exponents. Okay, so this is for quotient law. This example, if we have a exponent, let's say 3 divided by a exponent 2, since the bases are the same, you take one of the base, then you subtract what? Their exponents. As simple as that. Okay, alright. So left with the last one, that is um power what law. So I want to clean it. Power law. I see. So we are done with the product law, the quotient law, and now we are on what? The power law. For example, A is from n all raised to the power of n. The power law here, it says that whenever the powers are being raised, you just have to multiply them. Okay, and it says to raise a power, to another power, you just have to what? Multiply the exponent or the powers. So let's say this one can be written as a multiplied by what? N. Just like that. So it is a raised to the power m n. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's see, a exponent, let's say 3, 4 raised to the power what? 2. Question like you just have to what? Multiply what? The indices, the exponents, or what? The powers. So here, your base is here, then you just have to multiply what? The what? The powers. Okay, here, so A exponent what? 6. A raised to the power what? 6. So these are the laws of what indices. Basically, they are what? 3. We are coming to learn more things about the properties of indices and stuff. So these are the 3 main what laws of indices: the power law, product law, the quotient law, and the power law. Okay. Any question? Okay, bye.